Okay, what is up YouTube? Today, as you know, I have a 1 gigabyte of RAM Toshiba MB505, which we are trying to convert into a gaming laptop. So in order for that, we need to increase the RAM to 4 gigabyte RAM. So to start, I'm going to, it was just like 20 bucks, by the way, on eBay. So I'm just going to start by taking out the screws. And once you're done, just get any screwdriver, slide it under here, take it off. It might seem like you're damaging it, but really you're not. So here I have this gigabyte of RAM as line, and I'm going to replace it with this one. So you just have to insert it here like this, close like that, bam, you're done. So now let's see how it reacts. Will it be too much or will it be too little? Gotta check and see. It seems like if it's working. Turn off. Turn back on. So it doesn't seem to be taking it good at all. It actually didn't work, so we need to put back the 1 gigabyte of RAM. So eBay, you don't work. So this is our gaming laptop. So since this is they did make 2 gigabyte of RAM models for this laptop. So I am going to buy 2 gigabyte RAM to increase it at least a little bit. Well, thank you guys for watching.